When the hurricane was passing through, we didn't think it was going to be this disastrous, because last year on May 27th there was like huge rains coming in and it did flood, but not like this time where it pushed all our homes on the other side of the property and destroyed them completely. No official help, no. Nobody has come down here, nothing like that. No Red Cross or other people. No kind of help like that. Just the neighbors around here in the community right here.
Here.
We would like clothes help. We don't have our clothes. The storm took all our clothes. We didn't think it was going to be that bad, so we only took like 5 pairs of change. We need clothes, and also if they could help us with some kind of mobile trailer, because it destroyed our trailers and it crushed them in half. If you could see the trailers that were over there, those were ours. And so we have no place to live at the moment. And also food, that would be nice.